Hey everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's all I can say. We are way over our 10,000 subscribers. We are so close to 14,000 right now. I took a little vacation to New York and bam, you guys did it. So I am just thrilled to pieces. I wanted to talk to you guys today about the drawing. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment below. Click thumbs up, leave a comment. You can say congrats, you can say enter, you can say anything you want. Your name will be written down. The drawing is going to be on Monday at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, USA. That is when I do my live paintings. And I just thought we might as well just put that right in there because most of you watch as well. So make sure you leave a comment here though, because if you don't, I won't know that you entered. So with that being said, check us out Monday Night Live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. If you are present during the drawing, you will get your pick of prizes. First one drawn gets first pick, second, third, and so on. I have 3 prizes. I have coasters, and I have a Liquitex Basics set of paints with a bottle of Floetrol, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do a painting or a trivet, so we'll see on that 3rd prize. But if you are present and your name is drawn first, you will have first picks. However, if you are not present and the other 2 people are, you will get what's left over. But they're all good prizes, so it's not like you're going to be stuck with, Anyway, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for helping me build this channel. If you've noticed on the videos, we've been monetized. We are making a little bit of revenue on our videos. You have been so supportive in my Amazon shop. I'm actually going to enjoy sharing back with all of you. If you have been sponsoring my channel, we have another drawing coming up in August. So if you click the PayPal link and you sponsor my channel, your name is automatically entered into the drawing for that. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that drawing yet, if I'm going to do it live or if I'm going to do it privately. I need to discuss with a few of my sponsors to see if they want their name out there, because I know there's a couple of channels that I sponsor, and I don't mind that they put my name out there, but there are several people that don't want their name on social media, and I understand that, and that's why I don't do that. If you do want your name out there, just let me know. I'll put it out there. Not a problem. So, drawing for 10,000 subscribers Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Drawing for my sponsors, it will be in August, so don't get them confused. But we will do another video on that as well. So leave your comment below here for your entry. Click thumbs up. And if you have ideas that you want to see me paint, put them there too. But we will be live Monday night. I have a couple ideas for paintings for Monday night, and we're going to give them a try. So, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Much love. Much, much, much love. And if you have any questions, reach out to me through Facebook or my email, ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. Check out my Etsy shop. I'm going to start a humongous sale tomorrow, Sunday. And a lot of my paintings are going to be flying out the doors, I hope. They're going to be pretty much half price. So if you're a subscriber and you've been wanting to buy a piece of art, now's the time. I'm clearing them out, kind of like a fire sale, because I've got a lot more to put up there. So thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. Check us out. I'll be uploading a video tomorrow or tonight or tomorrow. And I will be doing my live on Monday. And we will be pulling the winner It won't be in the beginning and it won't be at the end. It'll be somewhere in the middle. So that'll get you to watch. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Love you, love you. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.